Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's wellness all the time, and today we're about to do something huge for your health, something absolutely epic. We're not just talking about any foods, we're talking about the heavy hitters, the absolute champions when it comes to taking care of one of the most important organs in your body, your liver. You guys have been asking for this, and trust me, the information we're about to drop is a total game changer. Get ready to have your minds blown. Today we're diving into the top 3 must-watch moments from top 3 foods to clean your liver naturally. That's right, we're going to count down the 3 most powerful, most effective, and honestly some of the most surprising foods that can help naturally cleanse and protect your liver. Think of your liver as the ultimate filter, working 24/7, and we're about to give you the cheat codes to keep it running like a supercharged engine. This isn't just about eating healthy. It's about unlocking a new level of well-being, and it starts right here, right now. So buckle up, because this is going to be an insane ride. We've got shocking facts, incredible benefits, and by the end of this video, you'll be armed with knowledge that could literally change your life. Make sure to stick around till the end to see if your favorite moment, or in this case, your favorite liver-loving food, made the list. And trust me, you do not want to miss our number 1 pick. Let's get into it. All right, kicking things off is a food you probably have in your kitchen right now, but you might not realize its sheer power for liver health. Are you ready for this? Because this one is a foundational element in natural detoxification. It's common, it's potent, and it's about to become your liver's best friend. We're talking about garlic. Yes, garlic. This isn't just for warding off vampires or making your pasta taste amazing. Garlic is a nutritional powerhouse packed with compounds that support your liver in mind-blowing ways. It's like a tiny, potent warrior fighting for your liver's health every single time you eat it. What makes garlic so incredible for your liver? It's all about sulfur compounds, particularly allicin. When you crush or chop garlic, allicin is released, boosting your liver's detoxification enzymes. Think of these enzymes as the cleanup crew for your body, and allicin is the supervisor. Garlic also contains selenium, a vital mineral that acts as a powerful antioxidant. Selenium helps protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Garlic helps your liver activate enzymes that can flush out toxins. By helping to prevent fat buildup, garlic plays a crucial role in maintaining long-term liver health. And the best part? It's so easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add it to almost anything. Even a clove or 2 a day can start making a difference. Nature packed all this goodness into one small bulb, and it's just waiting for you to unlock its potential. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a potent medicinal food that actively works to cleanse, protect, and support your liver. It's proof that sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones, hiding in plain sight in our very own kitchens. Imagine the impact on your overall well-being when your liver is functioning optimally. More energy, better digestion, clearer skin, the benefits ripple outwards. Garlic provides that fundamental support, laying the groundwork for a healthier you. So, don't underestimate the power of this humble bulb. It's a testament to how nature provides us with incredible tools for health. This isn't some fancy, expensive superfood from a remote jungle. It's right there, affordable and accessible. That's why it's our first pick for cleaning your liver naturally. Every meal that includes garlic is another step towards a healthier liver. You're essentially giving your liver a helping hand, a daily dose of support that it desperately needs in our modern, often toxic world. All right, team, are you recovered from our first reveal? Because we are just getting started. Our second must-watch moment is about to take things to a whole new level of green goodness. If garlic was the foundational warrior, this next one is like bringing in an entire army of cleansing agents for your liver. This is big, this is powerful, and it's absolutely vital. Get ready for leafy greens. I'm talking spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, collard greens, the whole glorious green family. These aren't just rabbit food, guys. These are nutritional powerhouses, an absolute green tsunami of benefits for your liver. If you're not already loading up your plate with these, you are seriously missing out on one of nature's most potent detoxifiers. So, what's the secret weapon in these leafy greens? One word: chlorophyll. For your liver, chlorophyll is like a super magnet for toxins. It can bind to harmful toxins and heavy metals, helping to neutralize them and prevent them from damaging your liver. Chlorophyll acts like an internal purifier, grabbing onto these nasty substances and helping your body escort them out. It's like having a dedicated cleanup crew specifically for these hard-to-handle toxins, lightening the load on your liver significantly. Leafy greens are also incredibly rich in antioxidants, like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which further protect your liver cells from oxidative stress. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens is like giving your insides a spring cleaning every single day. Your liver will literally thank you for it by functioning better, keeping you healthier and more energetic. So let's give it up for leafy greens, our second must-watch moment and an absolute non-negotiable for anyone serious about natural liver cleansing. All right, we've had the foundational hero, garlic. We've had the green cleansing army, leafy greens. But now, for our final must-watch moment, our number one pick, we have something truly special. This isn't just about cleansing or protecting, this is about regeneration. This is the spice that scientists are freaking out about for its liver-healing properties. This is the gold standard. Prepare yourselves for the incredible, the potent, the one and only turmeric, and specifically its active compound curcumin. This golden spice, a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine for centuries, is an absolute superstar when it comes to liver health. If you're not using turmeric, you are missing out on one of the most powerful natural healers on the planet. This is huge. What makes turmeric, or more accurately curcumin, so unbelievably effective? It's a multifaceted powerhouse. Firstly, it is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory substances ever discovered. Chronic inflammation is a major enemy of your liver, contributing to damage and disease. Curcumin directly fights this inflammation at a molecular level, soothing and calming your liver. Imagine your liver is constantly battling fires caused by toxins, poor diet, and stress. Curcumin comes in like the ultimate firefighter, dousing those flames and preventing further damage. This anti-inflammatory action is absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy liver and preventing the progression of liver issues. But that's not all. Curcumin is also an incredibly powerful antioxidant. It not only neutralizes free radicals directly, but it also boosts your body's own antioxidant enzymes. So it's fighting on two fronts, directly attacking harmful molecules and also strengthening your liver's natural defense systems. And here's where it gets really exciting. The part that makes this our number one pick, curcumin has been shown to support liver regeneration. Yes, you heard that right. Your liver has an amazing ability to repair and regenerate itself, and curcumin can actually help enhance this process. It can stimulate the growth of new, healthy liver cells, helping to repair damage. For anyone whose liver has taken a bit of a beating over the years, whether from diet, lifestyle, or other factors, turmeric offers a beacon of hope. It's not just about preventing damage, it's about actively promoting healing and restoration. Furthermore, curcumin can improve bile flow, just like some of our leafy greens. This helps in the digestion of fats and the elimination of waste products, further reducing the burden on your liver. It ensures that the detoxification pathways are clear and functioning efficiently, so toxins can be effectively removed from your body. Studies have also shown that curcumin can protect against liver damage induced by various toxins, including alcohol and certain medications. It acts as a shield, a hepatoprotective agent, safeguarding your liver cells from harm. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is easier than you think. You can add it to curries, soups, stews, rice dishes, golden milk lattes, or even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables. A little goes a long way, but consistency is key. And here's a pro tip. Always consume turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which dramatically increases the bioavailability of curcumin, meaning your body can absorb and utilize it much more effectively. This combination of turmeric and black pepper is a match made in heaven for your liver. It unlocks the full potential of curcumin, ensuring that your liver reaps all the amazing benefits. The golden color of turmeric is a visual reminder of its precious, health-giving properties. It's been revered for thousands of years for a reason. Ancient wisdom is now being confirmed by modern science, and the findings are truly astounding. This spice is a gift from nature, offering profound healing potential. So when we talk about a must-watch moment that stands out, turmeric is it. It's not just another healthy food, it's a therapeutic agent with the power to transform your liver health. The ability to reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and promote regeneration puts it in a class of its own. This is why it's our ultimate pick. And that's a wrap, team. Wow, we just went through 3 absolutely incredible foods that can naturally cleanse, protect, and even help regenerate your liver. We talked about the power of garlic, the cleansing might of leafy greens, and the unbelievable healing properties of turmeric. My mind is blown every time I think about how much power nature packs into these everyday foods. This knowledge is seriously a superpower for your health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something amazing, if you're ready to give your liver the VIP treatment it deserves, then don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and definitely subscribe for more insane health hacks and life-changing information. We're building a community here dedicated to leveling up our lives, and your support means the world. Let's keep this momentum going. Seriously though, let us know in the comments which moment, which food was your favorite. Was it the surprising power of garlic, the green machine action of leafy greens, or the golden healing magic of turmeric? Or maybe you have another liver-loving food you swear by. Share your thoughts, share your experiences, let's learn from each other. We read all your comments, see you in the next video, and get ready for even more epic content. Stay healthy, stay awesome.